Welcome to Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today we're going to make the Absolut Citron Lemonade. You get the aromas of the lemon oil, you get the aromas of the lemon zest, you get the aromas of the citron. It's lemon on lemon. We want to see your experimentation at home. Put your drinks and all your experiments up onto your social media and tag @Absolut Vodka and hashtag @Absolut Drinks for your chance to be featured on absolutdrinks.com. But before we start making this drink, we need to make one of the ingredients for the drink, and that is some homemade lemonade. Really easy to make, and you can store this in the fridge for at least a week or so. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're gonna need for some lemonade is some lemons. We're gonna try and make roughly around about 1 liter of lemonade now. We're gonna juice these lemons straight up. We're gonna need 250 mils or a quarter of a liter of lemon juice. So we're gonna fill this up right here. I do like these hand presses. Oof. This is the juicer. Nice. We don't want to throw out any of these empty husks. We can make syrups, we can make oleosaccharides, we can even make more juice. I'm gonna put them to one side now. Next up, we're gonna equal parts, so another 250 mils of simple syrup. If you don't know how to make simple syrup, just go and watch my simple syrups video, and that'll teach you everything you need to know about simple syrup. So next up, we're gonna just fill this up and add another 250 mil of simple syrup. It's that simple. We're gonna give this a little stir just to make sure everything's mixed together. So right here, we've got half a liter, and that is just lemon juice and simple syrup mixed together. What do we do now? We're just gonna fill it up with some water. Get some cold water. Fill that up so we've got a liter, and we're pretty much already there. I'm gonna put it in the fridge to chill, and I wanna make sure all that pulp's out of there because I don't want bits in my lemonade. Pour that directly in. And there we have homemade fresh lemonade. What you want to do now is just store it in the fridge. It'll stay there for at least 3 days to a week, and it's going to be the best lemonade you've ever had in your life. Take a fresh glass. Oi. Summer in a glass. But how do we turn this into one of the best cocktails you're going to drink all summer? Easy, you just add Absolut vodka. So next up, take your glass, fill it with as much ice. Whoa, the ice is stuck. There we go. Fill your glass with as much ice as it will hold. Next up, take your jigger, some Absolut Citron, because this is the citron lemonade. And what's gonna happen when we add citron to this lemonade? It's gonna be double lemon. The most lemony drink possible. We want 45 ml straight in. Don't worry about that. Then we want to add a good 100 to 120 mils of the fresh lemonade. We're going to top that up with just some good old-fashioned soda water. And then for a garnish, we're going to use the lemon. You can either do a couple of nice little lemon slices. You can even go do nice little zest just by cutting some of the zest right off the fruit like that. You might want to cut some of this pith off. The pith tends to be a little bit bitter. And then you might just want to stick that in. But whatever you want to do with your lemonade, however you want to garnish it, go for it. And this is double lemon in a glass. Making so much mess, but that is delicious. Absolut Citron Lemonade.